Open RAN. What is this Open RAN? What is the significance of this? The first significance of this is it is really essential for 5G deployment, which India is stepping into right now. So this RAN is critical to 5G deployment. In India, the Open RAN architecture is essential, but also it has its own challenges as well. Now, Open RAN, it is a key part of a mobile network system that uses cellular radio connections to link individual devices to other parts of a network. Simply, it is a part of a network which does the job of connecting various devices. That's all in a simple line. Now this Open RAN, specifically this Open RAN, it uses software to make hardware manufactured by different companies work together. In a short while, you will see the difference between the ORAN and the normal traditional RAN. Specific point here, the specific importance of this or speciality of this Open RAN is that it can work with components manufactured by different companies. That is the one important point here. Here, Open RAN stands for Open Radio Access Network. Open Radio Access Network. And what it is important for is, it's really essential for 5G. So what is the importance of this? It can connect equipments of different or various companies. That's it. Now let us say, for example, you have a TV and you have a DVD player and you have a home theater. Let us say you have a TV belonging to one particular brand. Will it be good if you have to buy the same brand for your home theater and also for your DVD player? Would you like it? No, because a particular brand TV might be good and there might be another brand which is really good in a home theater and it is cheaper as well. But if you are compelled to use all the three equipments of the same brand, because they will only work if so. So will you like it? That is what has been happening so on, and that is the specialty of Open RAN, where it can use different equipments manufactured by different companies. Now, a RAN, generally a RAN, it comprises an antenna which transmits and receives signals to and from our devices like our smartphones or any other compatible devices. The signal is then digitized in the RAN base station and connected to the network. Now you would have got an idea. There are various devices, set of devices are there, and these signals are received, and you have a base station. Here in this base station, the received signals are digitized. They are digitized. This is the basic job of a RAN. Now a traditional closed RAN. A closed RAN, it uses proprietary interface between the radio and the baseband units. So here both have to be of the same manufacturer. So the service provider is locked to that particular vendor. Therefore, it is difficult to mix vendors for the radio and baseband unit. So you have the radio unit here, you have the baseband unit here. So to have an interface between these two, you have to use the products made by the same vendor in an closed RAN. Now the idea of Open RAN is to change this and enable operators to mix and match components. So in an open environment, expands the ecosystem and it provides more options to the operators. Now this is what is expected to make 5G more flexible and cost efficient. In our example, let us say you buy a TV because that brand is good for you, you know that. But when you go to a home theater, you have two brands which are of same quality, but the second one is much more cheaper. So you save money here, right? So this is the same thing that's going to happen here. Now Open RAN is going to make 5G technology cheaper. This could be a question. So it would make 5G technology cheaper and also flexible. So these are the two important things it's going to do. Now this RAN, generally radio access network RAN, it is part of a mobile telecommunication system. It implements a radio access technology. So let us take it as a concept. As a concept, it resides between a device such as a mobile phone, you have a mobile phone here, and a computer or any other remotely controlled machine somewhere else, and it provides connection with its core network. So all these are connected. Here you have a core network. From the core network, various devices are connected. Now RAN functionality is typically provided by a silicon chip residing in both the core network as well as the user equipment. Let us say you have a mobile phone. In that mobile phone you have a silicon chip, and in the network there is also a silicon chip. So both the places the job is done by a silicon chip. This is another important thing to note here.